Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I created this beautiful black and white Wedgwood container late last year, and it was for a lady who wanted to create something similar. Well, she had a similar vase, so I had to create it. And she also wanted for me to share what it would look like with just gypsophila. So we did that, and then after it was launched out onto the great YouTube, a couple of people reached out and said, what else could you put in that container? They loved the branches that I created for another design. I said, well, you could put the branches with it. So I've put those who requested it, I've put the sticks in into the container. And Mary, who is just like eagerly awaiting this design, said to me, what would it look like with the paper daisies? So I have got some paper daisies here. And once you've got your structure in place, and if you've got a beautiful container, you know what? You can create something very magical just by putting in one flower. The other request I've had is for smaller, less materials, and I think the word out there is budget friendly. So if you're looking for something that is budget friendly, I think that that is just fantastic. Then I had a request for, would that vase look really lovely with just one type of flower? She didn't, I think it was Jennifer, didn't want daisies or dahlias or anything like that, but she did say that she had growing in her garden a lot of this beautiful daisy here, which is the pyrethrin daisy, and I think it is just wonderful. So let me just share what you can do by removing the leaves and the branches and then just plonking in one single variety of flowers. Isn't that just glorious? So I would suggest you invest in one or two really beautiful vases that suit your decor or your environment. And then when you're at the market and you see flowers, don't buy 5 stems, or if you've got them in the garden, don't pick 5 stems depending on their size. Get en masse and just plonk them in. I think that this is a beautiful arrangement. It's cost effective and it will last for a good week. So when you're doing your shopping or you're at the market and you see flowers that you like, just buy one variety, 2 or 3 of them if there's not many of them, plonk them into a vase, and there you have a beautiful arrangement to enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I'll see you again another day.